I'm Lakshmi Prasanna, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Welcome to the lecture series of image processing. In this session, we will discuss the questions related to Module 2. So, all these are the concepts that we have discussed in this Module 2. So, especially the important concept like histogram, equalization, histogram, mapping, smoothing and sharpening filters in the spatial domain and frequency domain. So all these concepts are clearly explained in our previous session. So we can, if you want, you can refer to the playlist Image Processing by V. Lakshmi Prasanna. So with respect to all these concepts, let us see what are the questions that we can have from this module. So first let us see the problem solving and critical thinking questions, which are somewhat analytical. So most of the problems that we can expect from this is from histogram concept. So we have solved the problems related to histogram equalization and histogram matching. So obtain histogram equalization for the following image segment of size 5 by 5 and write the interference on image segment before and after equalization. So this is the image they have given and we know the procedure how to solve histogram equalization. So by applying this procedure, we have to solve that problem. And here also, this question is also related to histogram equalization. So the procedure of applying histogram equalization is very important. So this is the image they have given. And next one is obtain histogram equalization for the following image segment whose size is 5 by 5 and write the interference on image segment before and after equalization. So this is the matrix they have given. For this we have to perform histogram equalization. And next one is a 4 by 4 4-bit pixel image is passed through pointwise intensity transformation. And here this is G of m comma n which is given. And here this is the image f of m comma n which is given. Now we have to consider this G of m comma n while solving this problem. And next, given the image of size 3 by 3 and here this is the 3 by 3 image which is f of x comma y and here G of m comma n is considered. Here we have to solve for two conditions. One is c is equal to 1. After calculating c is equal to 1, we have to replace in this. Next we have to calculate for c is equal to L by log 1 plus L base 10. So after finding these two, considering these two c values, substitute in this formula to get G of m comma n. So here f of m comma n is there. We have to consider this matrix to substitute. So this problem is also related to histogram equalization. So G of m comma n is given and here this is f of x comma y and we have to perform histogram equalization. So compute the bit plane of the given 8-bit image. Here this is 8-bit image because this size is 3 by 3, 2 power 3 is 8. So we can call it as 8-bit image. And this is the problem related to bit planes. So we have to show how all that 8 bit planes look like. Compute the value of the marked pixels if it is smoothened by a 3 by 3 average filter. So here all these are the pixels that are marked. We have to apply the average filter in order to find the new pixel value. And coming to the long answer questions. Explain in detail about histogram processing. So here clearly this should be explained with the help of example. What is histogram? Generally how to represent one image in the form of histogram. So with the help of a block diagram, explain homomorphic filtering approach for image enhancement. So here we have to explain about this homomorphic filtering. So here some sort of mathematical analysis need to be considered during explaining. We have to draw the block diagram also for this. And describe the various types of mean filters for image enhancement. So which is also called average filter. We have to explain what are different types of average filters that are used during image enhancement. So each filter should be explained. So demonstrate enhancement of monochrome image by histogram. So this question is also related to histogram. Discuss the procedure involved in histogram matching. So two important concepts, one is histogram equalization and another one is histogram matching. So here we have to clearly explain the procedure that we are going to apply to perform histogram matching. So clearly procedure for histogram equalization or histogram matching we have explained in our previous sessions very clearly by solving example problems. You can refer that for clear information. So write the steps in histogram equalization. So classify restoration models and list out its application. So we have to explain about different types of restoration models and for which type of restoration model can be applied in which type of application. List out the various gray level transformations used for image enhancement. So gray level transformations need to be discussed. Classify the types of filters in spatial domain filter for image enhancement. So types of filters which are used in spatial domain need to be explained. So describe about Butterworth low pass filter and Butterworth high pass filter. So these two types of filters, low pass, high pass, Butterworth filter should be explained. So here formulas also need to be written. So list the salient features of image histogram. So features of representing histogram for the image should be written here. So discuss the following spatial enhancement technique. One is spatial averaging and the second one is median filtering. So these two techniques which are used in image enhancement should be explained. So prepare the linear spatial sharpening filter for image enhancement. Explain linear spatial smoothing filters. And next, interpret image processing transforms using point processing method. One is negative image and another one is thresholding. The last one is log transformation. So these techniques we have explained while discussing the concepts in module 1. So you can refer to the playlist. There you can have the clear discussion. And next one is interpret the homomorphic filtering in image enhancement, which is related to frequency domain. So here homomorphic filtering with respect to frequency domain should be explained. Explain smoothing of images in frequency domain using region-based segmentation. And what is meant by feature extraction and representation? Also discuss their role in image enhancement. So here we have to clearly write about feature extraction and representation in case of image enhancement. Sketch the perspective plot of an histogram process by smoothing and sharpening function of filter cross section and also explain the usefulness in image enhancement. And next one about binary morphology and gray level morphology. So all these are some of the theory questions that we can expect from module 1. And coming to the short answer questions, it will be like definitions and the important terms that will be used in module 1. Like specify the objective of image enhancement technique. What is the objective of image enhancement? Why we need to go for image enhancement? Explain the two categories of image enhancement. What are the edge operations? And what is morphology processing? And what is contrast stretching? And what is thresholding? So all these are some important terms that we will use in all the modules. And what is binary morphology? What is image averaging? And give some applications. Explain the purpose of image averaging and give the formula for negative and log transformation. So we have to write the formula for C is equal to for negative transformation and log transformation. And next, what is meant by bit and gray level morphology, and define histogram. And next, discuss image negatives, state the first order derivative filter or gradient filter. What is component labeling? Explain median filter. So all these are the questions related to different types of filters. What is smoothing filter and sharpening filter? Explain unsharp masking. And next one is what are the features of selection techniques? So all these are the questions we can expect from module 2. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.